Hello guys, welcome to Dream with Tech, where big dreams are valid. So today I'm going to show you on how to make a YouTube downloader, or you can download a YouTube video or an audio from using Python. So the module we are going to use today is PyTube. PyTube is a Python module that help us on streaming the videos from YouTube. So what you are going to do first is to install PyTube, pip install PyTube. So open your Anaconda environment, Anaconda prompt, sorry. Open your Anaconda prompt. Then pip on your path where you are creating your file and ensure the path that the environment that you use is activated. Then you can pip install PyTube. Give it some seconds or minute, at most 1 minute, then it will be done installing. Then as it installs, you can go ahead and start writing the code. Obviously with Python, the first thing first is to import the module. So from PyTube, import YouTube, should be an uppercase thing. Then the other thing we are going to define is the link. You can define the link of the video you want to get from YouTube. I have my own link I'm going to use. You can go ahead and use any link from YouTube video. You can get it, then paste it here. Then the next thing we are going to do is to define instantiate the YouTube class. So define a variable to store the YouTube class instantiation YouTube, and that function pass in the link. It's going to create an object for YouTube. Then you can go ahead, maybe print something like title. You can get the title of the video using the variable you defined for YouTube object yt.title. Yeah, then download the video. Now you have to get the streams from the variable. Streams are for the media, now the videos and the audios. So you can get the streams using yt.streams. Then you can go ahead, if you don't want to filter the video, you can just go ahead and fast means according to the streams that you are going to get are arranged according to resolution. If you just go ahead and use ystream.stream.fast.download. Let me complete the link. This will going to download the video. No problem with that. It will just download the video with that, and that's okay because you will get the video of the YouTube video that they wanted on your. You will get it locally. But now the stream, it might download a poor stream, a poor quality video stream, because the streams are arranged according to quality, and the first quality is always the lower resolution, maybe 144 or 360 according to the resolution of the video on YouTube. So the best thing I can offer to get now the good quality video is to filter. So filter will help on getting the, maybe filter now you can, maybe if you want to get the audio only, you can just pass in an argument or into a function audio equals true if you want to get the audio only. If you want to get the video, pass in the file extension equals mp4. That's a video. Then the other thing is you can order now, because now it filters the videos, only the videos with the audio, and before it's a video combination of both video and audio. You can now order by resolution, passing resolution, so that you get the video with the best resolution. Then resolution, it might arrange them into, it will always arrange them in a ascending order, but now we want to get it in descending order. Descending order means from the best or the high quality to the lower quality, and then get the best high quality by first. First is the descending order to get the best high quality, then you can download, and with that you're just done downloading the video. And to confirm this from our Anaconda prompt, we can just say downloaded. Yeah, downloaded. Let's run our program in our file on Anaconda. You can see it's already installed there. It's already installed the PyTube Python. Let's get the file name, relative path, then paste, click enter. Give it a minute. You can see the name. This is the name of the video we are downloading, the title, and you can see it's changing over here. You can see the video just came here and it prints downloaded, and we got our video with the best quality. But and that's all about the downloading a YouTube video, just a simple thing. And you can maybe go ahead to get more of it from the docs on your Google search. You can search PyTube and get more about the module. If you have any complicated way you want to do to get a video and maybe you can't be able to do it, you can just hit me up on the comment section below. So thank you guys.